most of the people are losing their jobs due to many reasons all over the world. Nowadays, what should you do? You have to earn much more money from home for surviving in this beautiful world. So today I want to share how will you get paid $300 by typing names online worldwide, make money online. You can do it any corner of the world by using your phone or computer. Number one reason I am making this video, because lots of students or unemployed people do not have any previous knowledge or experiences or skills, or don't have any ability to spend extra money to earn extra cash from online. So this website is called www. Hey, this is make money online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online, and you wanna make money online just like this and keep watching. And if you are first time in my channel and did not subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this awesome channel. And if you want to earn extra cash, I cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube, and just subscribe and click the bell button to get all the notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now and share more and more with your friends. So let's get started. Alright, if you search on Google Squad Help, this is called their first website, I think, squadhelp.com. After coming here, you have to click on this first link. This is called squadhelp.com. You will get these amazing features after coming here, and the fastest way to name a startup name. And what should you do after coming here? You have to create an account. Then before starting or creating an account on this platform, you have to read all the criteria from this website. This is a name contest platform. You can provide the names, brand name, website name, apps name, and logo name, different types of brand identity name you have to provide to earn extra cash. That's it. This is the simple work. You can do it from any corner of the world. So after coming here, you will get these amazing features about that website, squadhelp.com. First one, largest naming community, high quality and collaboration agency level features, and you have to read this one first time, and you will get these amazing features if you scroll down. Number one, logo design, tagline and slogan names. This is the characteristics of this website to ensure brand identity. Agency level experiences, managed contest, audience testing, trademark support, etc. What our customers say, and they are the total reviews about this squadhelp.com. So lots of people are working on this platform to ensure extra cash. 4.9 out of 5 stars from 25,000 plus customers. Our branding community stands 3 lakhs plus strong, and 140 plus industries supported across more than 85 countries and counting. So this is the total characteristics about this squadhelp.com. And the payment method is so easy. You can get paid on your Payoneer or PayPal account easily. So first of all, you have to create an account. Just click on the sign up button here and you will get these features. You have to provide your first, what's your address, select country, state, city, PIN code, phone number, and update account. That's it. After logging in on this website, and you will get these amazing features, and you will get the marketplace, contest, winners, transactions, messages and identity, and my account, affiliate dashboard, help, and forum. And you will get connected. If you have any questions, with them by asking any types of questions, or you will be able to engage on the forum sections. So what should you do after come here? And then first of all, you have to decorate your my accounts. If I click on this my account here, and then I will get this account. Right after coming here, you will get these features: smart alerts. Please connect PayPal or Payoneer to your account in order to receive payouts from our account. So connect now. You have to connect your PayPal account or Payoneer account details. If you don't have any PayPal or Payoneer account, you have to open or you create a PayPal or Payoneer account. That's it. So and then click on this add payment method. First one is Payoneer, and second one is PayPal account. So you can add any one of this, Payoneer or PayPal. And if you don't have any Payoneer or PayPal account, I cordially request to watch the video from my YouTube channel, how will you create a PayPal account from any corner of this world, and then providing all the informations on these boxes here. Bio or interested, why do I like to use Squad Help, and contact informations on these boxes here, and provide your LinkedIn of your LinkedIn URL and Twitter handle. You have to provide. That's it. After completing these pages, your account details will be set up easily. Then what should you do? After coming here, and then you have to click on this contest button here. There are plenty of name contest, and you are submit your name ideas, which is very guaranteed. Active contest here. Alright, this is the another page which is active contest. Here you will watch or you will take over at a glance about the active contest here. So first of all, you have to click on this guaranteed type name. You can provide all the names on branded identity, I mean apps name, website name, on the other business name. You have to provide the domain name to win or ensure extra cash from this website easily, I think. So you will be able to get paid 100 to 199 USD. I mean second one is 200 to 209 and over $300 per names from here. So after coming here, there are 0 contest, and then I like to share another one. And we just click on this contest here, and you will get this active contest, and just click on this here, you will get lots of contest and running contest. And over here now I would like to share another contest. This is called a mortgage banker startup branding. What should you do after coming here? You have to read all the criteria or descriptions about that contest. First of all, this is the description of this mortgage banker startup branding company. This invitation only naming contest is seeking brand name ideas for a mortgage company. This is the name, and you have to select a domain name, and then you have to provide, and this is the guaranteed and $300 if you can win, or if you win from this website by providing the domain name and whatever you like. Or as you can see here, and 6 days and 19 hours are remaining to add or to contest on this platform here. So this one is also early access. And what should you do after coming here? And first of all, entries submitted 195 entries, withdrawn 2, country active 193, country of participants 40. You can provide more and more domain names or names as a number one or one person on this platform for any contest here. So what should you do? What should you do? And there this one is mortgage company. You have to select or search a name which is very reliable are very brandable with this company. And then after coming here on this Google, just search on Shopify business name generator. This is the first link. I think this is called the www.shopify.com. After opening this website, you will get this amazing features and business name generator. Many types of business name you can generate for your brand identity or company's identity or business identity over here. That's it. This is the pretty cool and easiest way to name ideas from this Shopify.com. What should you do? Come here, describe your brand in one word, enter it into the shop name generator. So you have to provide the name whatever you choose. And first of all, I would like to copy this one from here and then just paste on this box here. So just click on this generate names. Lots of names are over here. Boom, this is the easiest way I think to search any types of name from this Shopify.com. You have to select that name which is very eye-catchy, sharp, brandable, trendy and saleable or valuable for winning more and more from squadhelp.com. So you have to mind this criteria too before choosing any names from Shopify.com. You can choose any names from here, whatever you like, or as you can see here, this one is mortgage company, DAC, patent mortgage company, and lots of company names you can choose from here. And on the other hand, if you go to the second page, you will get lots of brand or domain name from here. So after coming here, you have to choose any name which is very easy, short, brandable, eye-catchy and trendy name. So first of all, if I choose this one, mortgage company kit, you can this one just provide your email address, password, etc. So that's it. After coming here, you have to provide this name on this provided company, I think. So add to watch list there and just click on this over here. Now I'd like to share another one. If you come to this web page, and after creating an account on this web page and just click on this squadhelp.com, and after coming here, I would like to share another things who are winners. After clicking on this recent winners over here, you will get lots of names. First of all, getsetpick.com. This guy has won $100 on July 12, 2020, and this guy has also earned or won $100. Lots of people are earning or winning from this website by providing the name or brand name by using this simple trick and tricks. So if you follow this video step by step, I strongly believe that you will get paid $500, $600, $700 per month easily without any types of hassle or any types of previous knowledge, experience, or any types of investing money. So that's it. This is my simple video for you. Without any types of hesitation, you can earn extra cash from this website. Thanks for watching this video. I cordially request to watch my previous videos from my second channel. This is called Make Money Online. And if you did not subscribe this channel, please subscribe this one and click the bell button to get all the notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now and share more and more this all types of videos from here. On the other hand, I cordially request to watch my first channel, all the videos from here. And if you did not subscribe this one, please subscribe and click the bell button. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.